Hello.
Hello.
Oh, hello. What's this video about then?
Well, we were approached by a well-known BMW accessories sales avenue. Is that a good word?
An avenue? Like an online shop?
Like an online
avenue
shop.
is where people live, isn't it?
Yeah. Called
Nippy Normans.
And we've bought lots and lots of stuff from Nippy Normans over the past 3 years of our channel, haven't we? And we've fitted everything that we've bought to the bikes and done reviews on all the stuff. And out of the blue, Nippy Normans got hold of us, didn't they?
Yep.
And they said, would you like us to send you some stuff so that you can review? So that's exactly what they've done.
We've got a box here.
Yeah. So we're gonna rip all the stuff out of the box, have a look at what's in there, and then we're then going to review it in subsequent videos.
Yeah. So we have no idea what's in here, which will be very exciting. The box is open. Yeah. What lives in here?
I don't know. First thing.
Okay. Beat you to it. There you go. Never dull, just like us.
It's
almost like we planned that.
Magic wadding polish.
There you go. Going to see if that's any good on my exhaust.
Is that like Brasso then, like a chrome cleaner then? Is it?
Smells like it. It may have leaked. Yeah, but anyway, there you go. I'll show you what it looks like inside. No, I won't, because it can't come off.
No, we'll do that on the review, because there'll be like an unboxing and a review.
Never dull.
Like our channel, never dull. Never dull. Right, next thing.
Put that down there then.
Next thing. Right.
Ooh, what's this?
Right. It's rubbers. I don't know what they call them, but they are rubbers for the top of your pannier. Nippy Normans rubber pannier matte kit. 2 of them. So for the 2 side panniers.
Obviously for an adventure bike. Yeah. For
the silver Touratech rebranded BMW panniers, but I expect they would fit on yours as well.
I think they go on black ones as well. I
think they probably go on the silver ones, don't you?
They'll fit on the silver ones.
Yeah, they look really thick. That's the rubber padding as well with the knobbly bits, so that you can put stuff on and it won't go all over the place. So.
Oh, it's like Christmas.
It is, isn't it?
There you go. Cheers, Nippy.
Well, a couple of months and it will be Christmas.
Yeah.
Right, next one, Mark.
Next one. Dig it down. More pads.
More pads. That's for the top of the top box.
It is.
Brilliant. What is that?
It's like Christmas is handing me presents under the table. How weird is that? Right, this is something. It's a first aid kit, I think, or it's one of those little boxes you put behind your...
Is this the first aid kit, or is it the toolbox?
I think it's not a first aid kit, it's just a box. It's the same sort of thing. It goes behind your number plate. Fits on your number plate thingy. And it's what you can see there, it's big enough. So you can put stuff in there like...
and it's locked as well, isn't it?
Very small pebbles.
Keys in there. Very small pebbles. No, but things.
No, but.
Yeah, but no, but things like that are really good though, because things like your documents and stuff. Who's going to look behind your number plate to see if that's where you keep stuff?
Oh, someone's bound to say, "Oh, I had." But anyway, there you go. We'll do that.
Yeah. Okay. There's an envelope there.
Ooh.
We'll read that later. Oh, go on then. What's that?
Don't know.
What is it?
Go Cruise throttle thingy. Throttle control. Okay.
Like it for bikes that haven't got the cruise control.
Yeah.
They do loads and loads of things on Wunderlich and Nippy Normans where you screw in instead of the bar end. You screw up. But that one's one of those ones that clips over. By the looks of it.
We won't open it because we're going to review it.
Yeah. It clips over. And
it's like a ratchety thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it will hold your throttle open. As it then goes back on the brake lever, so it holds your throttle open.
Thank you, Dr. Bob.
Right, now this is something that Mark's been very envious of for a long time, of my bike.
A long time.
And he wanted to try them, so Nippy Normans came through and sent them through. These are, I think they're the... Oh yeah, undo it.
I get to carry a knife.
Yeah, don't say it.
I won't, okay.
Don't say it.
Save a life.
What's it like?
So these are...
He's been envious of
knee
these for a long
guards.
time. Now they're nice.
Well, they're massive.
Because the Givey ones that I've got are the inserts that go on the inside of the BMW ones, but that looks as though that replaces those and has the top bit.
Replaces the originals,
basically the
eh?
guards, aren't they?
They're huge.
Wow. And they look good.
Yeah. Anyway,
So that is that.
chuck them over here,
Wow. Got some compressed air
There you go.
in a bubble.
Always good if you're diving.
Right, and then we've got another box in here, so we need your...
Knife.
Right, this is...
Mud sling.
No, it's not a mud sling. This is a service kit
Oh.
for the Adventure, which is good because that's all the parts we've got.
God, it's heavy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Should we just lie down and do it like that? Because it's probably,
Yeah.
if we open... Look around there. Oh, lovely.
Scissors, the oil just goes.
There you go. You can wrap yourself in bubble wrap.
What's in there? Come on.
What's in there?
What's in it? What's in it?
Put it here. There is
It's exciting.
oil.
Oil. Silkaline oil, that's good. Oil filter.
Oil filter.
Yeah, oil filter. Air filter. Air filter.
And spark plugs.
And spark plugs.
There you go.
How cool is that?
Box.
Oh, and little rings as well, but I guess they're
There you go.
spark plugs. Brilliant.
Boy.
So that means that the box is empty. We've got an envelope in here. Think there's anything in the envelope?
Use the knife. Always use the knife.
It open. Why use?
I bet it's a Nippy Norman catalogue and sticker.
Yeah, you have a look at that one and show that to the camera.
Yeah.
So you get those Nippy Norman stickers as well. They'll start to appear on our bikes, I think,
Uh-huh.
won't they? So we have, yeah, all the stuff that we've talked about. That's just telling us what we've got.
Cool.
So, amazing stuff. Thanks to all at Nippy Normans.
Very excited.
They're not sponsoring the channel, by the way. They've just sent us some stuff for us to review, and then we'll then box it all up and send it back. Other than the oil, of course.
Yep. There
And
we
the
go.
bits that are
And
being
the
used.
stuff.
But
My bike's going into service next week, actually.
so,
Yeah.
get them to take that.
There we go. Right.
But thank you very much, Nippy Norman. So, what we'll be doing over the next series of weeks is all these little bits that we've been sent. Then we'll be able to do a review of the bits that they sent, how we get on with them, and we were always very clear with people that send us stuff. I'm still blown away with the fact that people want us to review their stuff, but we're
As bad as we are.
but we're really honest about the stuff. If we don't like it, and we're going to say that we don't like it and give the reasons we do. It's not just because they send it doesn't mean they're going to get glowing reviews. But the stuff that we've got looks pretty good.
I think so.
Yeah.
So, there we go.
So catch up with us on the next one, and it will be reviews of all the kit that they've sent us. But in the meantime, check out Nippy Norman's website. They've got a multitude of stuff for a multitude of bikes, mostly BMWs, but there's a lot of generic stuff on there that would fit across a lot of bikes, like the USB connections and phone holders and stuff. So have a look. They're reasonably priced, and their shipping's really quick as well.
Very quick.
So we'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget the thumbs up.